Hi, I'm Linda May. I'm the founder and the presiding Archdruid Priestess of Druids of the Light, which is dedicated to anchoring the light of the heavens on earth, and that helps to assist with the awakening of humanity to higher levels of consciousness, something that I've been dedicated to my whole life. The way I personally help to raise consciousness is by writing books. This one happens to be my Druid book, Ancient Wisdom Now, and there are others. And I also do spiritual counseling as well as intuitive soul readings using the Druid Animal Oracle. I've done sessions for people all over the United States, in Canada, Central South America, as well as Europe, and I do them both in person or by phone. And you would do that by email by contacting me at druidlinda@gmail.com or going to our website, druidsofthelight.org.